Ay, siya. Uy! Si boss naman na yung magkadede, ah. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Hindi naman to sino yun eh. Okay, we have a quartic equation, quartic polynomial equation. So, y is equals to ax to the fourth plus bx to the cube plus cx to the cx squared plus dx plus e. So, yan ang gagamitin nating equation. Okay? So, ito ang given. If x is equals to 1, y is equals to 15. And so on. Ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute natin yung x at saka sa y dito. So, kung isa-substitute natin yung x at y, ang matitira dito ay a, b, c, d, and e. We have 5 unknowns. That's why we need 5 equations. Okay? Okay, observe mo muna. Okay, first, at x is equals to 1, y is equals to 15. Substitute natin yung x. A 1 raised to 4 plus B 1 raised to 3 plus C 1 raised to 2 plus D 1 plus E equals to 15. Yan galing yan, no? Yan. Nilipat ko lang yung y sa right side kasi mas comfortable ako sa right side yung y. Simplify. 1 raised to 4, 1 raised to 3, 1 raised to 2. Yan, 1. So, we have 1 plus B plus C plus D plus E equals to 15. So, 1 lang naman yung numeric coefficient niya. Pwede mo nang wag isulat. No? Huwag ka na maglagay ng 1A, 1B, 1C. Tanggalin mo na yung 1. Yun yung equation 1. Susundan. Next, at x is equals to 2, y is equals to 24. Ayun, no? Yun. Okay, let's substitute. Y, joke lang. A, x to the fourth, but x is equals to 2 na ha. So, a to the fourth, b 2 to the third, c to the square, d 2, and e equals to 24. Simplify the equation. Solve mo yan. 2 raised to 4, 16a. So, meron tayong numerical coefficient greater than 1. That's why, kailangan na natin siya isulat. To the left, ha? Sa left may sulat. Hindi, yung A16. Mali yun. Dapat 16A. Yung numerical coefficient ang nasa left. Numerical coefficient ba tawag doon? O, basta yan. So, 16A, 8B, 4C, 2D, plus E, equals 24. We have equation 2. Patalastas. Tatarararat. Naman. Babalik tayo sa ating mga munting paalala. Patalastas. Lucio. Okay, balik na tayo. Lucio kasi. Okay, substitute natin naman yung x equals to 3, y is equals to 28. Yan yun, no? O, substitute natin yung x dito. Yan yung 3. O, 3 equals to 28. We get 81a dahil 3 raised to 4. 81. 27 dahil 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 2 naman ay 9. And then the 3D plus E equals to 28. That is the equation 3. Okay? So, siyempre, okay. Next, substitute x for y 25. X is equals to 4. So, A 4 to the 4, B 4 to the 3, C 4 to the 2, D 4 plus E equals to 25. Yan, solve mo yan. Magiging 256a, 64b, dahil 4 raised to the 3, 16c, d, 4d, plus e equals to 25. Equation 4. Next, we have x is equals to 5 And y is equals to 16. Yan. Substitute again. A 5 to the 4, B 5 to the 3, C 5 to the 2, D 5 plus E equals to 16. Okay, we get 5 raised to 4 equals 625A. Ito naman, 5 to the 3 is 125B. 25C, 5 squared. 5D plus E equals to 16. So, meron na tayong mga equations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations. Ito na yung mga yun. Yan. Equation 1. A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus E equals to 15. Pinagsama-sama ko lang yun ha. Ito yung equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, equation 5. Ngayon, isosolve na natin yung values ng A, B, C, D, and E. Gagamitin natin yan, isa-substitute natin yan dyan. Para makuha natin yung equation in terms of y, in y equals in terms of x. Okay? Kunin natin yung A, B, C, D, E. Values niyan, solve natin, and then isa-substitute natin yung A na makukuha natin, B na makukuha natin, C na makukuha natin, D na makukuha natin, at E na makukuha natin. Okay. Paano natin yan gagawin? Isa-solve. Ito, mahirap. Kailangan natin gumamit ng matrix dito. Hindi pa kayo nagme-matrix. Hindi nyo pa alam ang determinants. Hindi nyo pa alam ang Gauss-Jordan. Yun ang method para ma-solve natin to. Kapag magpo-focus tayo sa matrix, isang subject yun, isang sem yun na pinag-aaralan. At itong Gauss-Jordan na method, sa finals yan ginagawa. So, isipin mo, isang sem yung ilalaan mo para lang matuto ka mag-Gauss-Jordan. Yun ang tricky part. Kaya, gagamit na lang tayo ng software or application para ma-solve natin yung A, B, C, D, and E. Gauss-Jordan pa rin ang method, pero hindi na siya mano-mano, hindi na siya automatic. Hindi na siya sobrang haba ng solution. Automatic na siya. Kung gagawin natin yung Gauss-Jordan, lahat ng mga coefficients na yan, yung 1, 16, 8, 25, 625, dadalhin natin sa grid position. So, magiging ganyan na siya. Yan. Ito yung coefficient ng 1, 16, 81, 256, 625. Siya yung mga yan. Yan o. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 15. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 15. Okay? 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, 24. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, 24, and so on. Itong table na to, yun ang i-input natin sa application. Tuturo ko mamaya yung application na. Fast forward, nagawa na yung application. Skip muna tayo. Ito yung magiging values niyan. A is equals to 0.25. B is equals to 1.58333333 infinite 3. Kaya may bar. C equals to 3.875. D is equals to 6.583333. May 3. Unlimited 3 din yan, ha? May bar yan dyan. Yan. And E is equals to 6. Pag yung mga values ng A, B, C, D, E, sinubstitute natin dito, yan. Ito, dito tayo mapupunta. Yan yun, no? So, Y equals to X, AX to the 4 plus BX to the 3, CX squared plus DX plus E. Substitute natin yung A na nakuha natin, B na nakuha natin, C na nakuha natin, at D na nakuha natin, at E na nakuha natin. Yan yung mga yun. Ito yung A, 0.125. Yun, no? 0.125. Ito yung B, negative 1.58333333. Yan, o, B. C, 3.875. Yun, o, 3.875. D, 6.58333333. Yan, D. And E equals to 6. So, magiging y is equals to 0.125x raised to the 4 minus 1.85333x squared, x cubed pala, plus 3.875x squared plus 6.83333x plus 6. Ngayon, ito kasi, mas maganda siyang convert, mas maganda siyang gamitin kung naka-fraction para as a whole. Pag naka-fraction, buong-buo yan, walang may iwan. So, ito yung fraction equivalent ng A, B, C, D, and E. So, A is 1/8. B is equals to negative 19 over 2. C is equals to 3/1 over 8. D is equals to 7/9 over 12. And E equals to 6. Ito ay nakukuha gamit ang Gauss-Jordan. Ito rin, same nito. Actually, kung gumagamit ka ng manual method, yung gagamitin mo ng matrix to, yung gagamit ka ng Gauss-Jordan method. Gauss-Jordan method. Ito makukuha mo. Full. Whole. In fraction. Hindi ito. Hindi ito. Ito makukuha mo pag gumamit ka ng Gauss-Jordan. So, mas magandang gamitin ang fraction kesa sa decimal. Para walang may iwan. Ito, buong-buo sama lahat. So, gamitin natin itong A, B, C, D, E na to sa original na equation natin. Ito, yan. So, y now is equals to 1/8 x to the 4th minus 19 over 12 x to the 3 plus 31 over 8 x squared plus 79 over 12 x plus 6. Yan yun, no? Ito, may suggest, ito na lang gamitin nyo. Ha? Okay.